In a cozy little bakery at the end of a cobblestone street, rows of donuts sat proudly in their display case. There were donuts with chocolate glaze, some with rainbow sprinkles, others filled with jelly or custard. They sparkled under the glass, waiting for someone to pick them. Among them sat a plain, round donut named Dottie. Dottie had no frosting, no filling, no sprinkles. She was just simple. The other donuts often giggled. "Why don't you wear chocolate like us?" said Choco, the glossy donut in the middle row. "Where are your sprinkles?" asked Sprinkles Sue. "You're so boring." Dottie tried not to let it bother her, but deep down, she wondered, was being plain such a bad thing? One sunny morning, a little girl named Maya came into the bakery with her grandmother. She stared at the rows of colorful donuts, eyes wide. "Pick whichever one you like, sweetheart," said Grandma. Maya leaned closer to the glass. She looked at the chocolate ones, the sprinkled ones, even the jelly-filled ones, but then her eyes stopped on Dottie. "I want that one," she said, pointing. "The plain one." The baker blinked. "Are you sure? She's quite simple." Maya nodded. "She looks like she's waiting to be chosen." Dottie couldn't believe it. Her doughy heart skipped a beat. As Maya bit into her, she smiled brightly. "This is the best donut I've ever had." That afternoon, the whole shop was buzzing with the story. Did you hear? The plain donut was chosen and loved. The other donuts were surprised. They hadn't thought a donut without decorations could be special. But Dottie had shown them something important. What's on the outside doesn't define your worth. From that day on, the donuts were a little kinder, a little more open. They welcomed every kind of donut, powdered, glazed, filled, or plain. And Dottie? She sat proudly in the front row, reminding everyone that being different is not something to hide, it's something to celebrate.